Hi my beautiful people, welcome back. If you guys know me, you know I love a natural looking base, and today I'm going to show you guys how to get that. The first thing that is important in your makeup is your skin. So take care of your skin. Doesn't matter what makeup you're doing, either it's glam or a natural looking base, you have to take care of your skin. So drink water, do your regular skincare, and take care of yourself. I have already done my skincare routine in the morning, but before starting the makeup, I always clean my face again with a wet wipe. Oh, I skipped a very important step. My skin has been really dry. As I'm in Delhi, it's really cold here. It's like 9 or 10 degrees. What I'm gonna use is a very thick moisturizer that is gonna help my skin to be like really hydrated. Next, I'm using a face gloss. For a face gloss recommendation, I would recommend K Beauty primer that has some glittery particles in it that makes my skin really glow from within. I have kind of almost finished the bottle, so I won't mind if you guys send me one. Now the next step is concealer. Come up close to the camera, you guys can see I have a little bit of darkness, little bit of pigmentation around the mouth, and some acne spots. I don't really like to use 2-3 shades of concealer just to hide things, so I really have started taking care of my skin. I'm taking a concealer which is like very close to my shade. Like, this is a little darker than my skin tone, but it's gonna work. I'm gonna start blending it out. You guys can already see my pigmentation going away. See, gone. For me, I don't apply anything on my forehead. My forehead is a little bit pigmented around here, which creates literally like a bronzing effect, a natural bronzing effect on my face. So I'm not gonna apply anything over here, only on the center parts of my face. Now the next thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a little bit of bronzing. I'm gonna take this shade because it's gonna give me a little bit of color, not too much. I think you can't even see it on the camera, a very little. My base already looks so healthy. I don't like this step much, but we have to do it. It's that I'm setting my under eyes using the powder, and what I do is take a little bit of powder and dab the excess on my hand, and then quickly setting the under eyes like this. Always use a very less powder. I don't like a powdery base at all. I'm all set and done. Now I'm gonna add some color to my face, little bit of blush, very natural, like literally nothing. Now the next is my favorite brown lip liner. I really like a oval shaped lips, so that is what I'm doing here. Love this liner. I cannot live without this. Next, what I'm gonna do is I'm gently gonna blend this out, and next I'm using this gloss. This is a clear gloss. This is a clear gloss, and I'm just gonna apply it a little bit, not too much, so my lips just looks really hydrated but not too glossy. Blend this out also with my fingers. So this is my everyday makeup look. So this is gonna be all for today, and let me know in the comment section what do you guys wanna see next, and I'll be back.